good delivery from Shoriful, but what Australia require now is in single figures. I was hoping too that it goes down the wire, but that was a few overs ago. There's the 3 6s. There's the unzipped Huggy here.
Well, this is a good thing for Australia, having a 5 back in the series, but it's also a good thing for Bangladesh as well. 2-0 up, could have whitewashed Australia. Everything's in their favour, but they just let a few things slip today.
Gone, soft dismissal. Shoriful does get the breakthrough, does break the partnership, but has it come a little too late? Seems like it. Peak has to go.
I just want to revisit this moment and just wish that Oliver Peak had the 5 seconds before that shot beforehand. It was a big moment for him. He could have taken Australia right to the end here with Connolly, but he's had a wonderful innings. 27, he set Australia up for a winning run home, 266 for 6. Oliver Peak wanted to go over cover. Yes, the shot was there, that 27. It just shows that there's a lot of talent there.
Oh, there's a nick there, finger raised. Shoriful, is there a magic left? Bartlett goes for naught. He will be on a hat-trick. Is there a twist in the tail here in Mirpur? They believe so.
Big moment, big moment. Beautiful bowling. Bartlett was the saviour in game 2. Game 3, it's a different story. Out for a dark, Australia 266 for 7.
Washes on strike. Here comes Shoriful on a hat-trick. Pitches it up. Shohan appeals. So does Shoriful. Asking the question. North sideways does Washes. Mirpur has come alive.
They've got 2 reviews. So close. Samanoy, I've just cleaned the fingernails just in case I have to start biting them. Yeah, 2 wickets in 2 balls, tense moments. Bartlett, it was just a peach of a delivery. He had to play at it. Just a little bit of seam movement so late in the innings.
In between the pad and the bat, it goes. But these are precious dot balls. What an over Shoriful Islam is bowling.
His first 5-wicket haul. He's bowled beautifully.
One more delivery to go in this over. Looking for that Yorker. Does get the block hole, but well dug out by Washes as he opens his account. Connolly still in there. 8 more runs to get. 267 for 7. 5 runs to get. Here comes Shoriful from the rocket end. Past the outside edge.
Five runs can feel like 100 at this stage of the game, especially when there's a few plays and misses.
Bangladesh need a Shoriful special here. Play and a miss again. Couple of dots to start the over. Bowling is last. They're all feeling it. The intensity. This is electrifying stuff. Left your nail clippers back in the hotel room. You asked for it. He had to deliver. Flip and a gully in place. In the air. Oh, is that taken? It is taken. Shoriful. Special. Madhi takes the catch. Dwarcius departs. They believe again, but the Aussies are just 5 runs away.
Mahidi catches it. Beautiful catch going to his left. Shoriful has not played a part until this game. He's got 6 now. Dorsh's out for 4. Australia 278. Unnervous.
Shoriful has led the stadium up. What a catch. What a take that. What a take at point from Mahidi. Here comes Shoriful again, aiming for the stumps. Zampa brings the defense out. Wow.
There's not much more that Zampa can do. 8 wickets down, 5 runs needed. Cooper Connolly out the other end has not had the strike for the last 12 balls.
The fight is on, thanks to Shoriful. It's, oh! Hard hands, could have taken it. Massive moment in this match. Hands on everyone's heads, down on their knees. Oh, what a match we're having here.
These are the moments. It's so exciting for Bangladesh cricket. They've beaten New Zealand, Pakistan, and now they've beaten Australia in a series. And there's a chance of a whitewash here against Australia. There's been 2 chances in the last 8 balls, and they've been put down. Just a little bit of overexcitement every now and then when that chance is coming. It was quite difficult going to his right. Still, are the emotions in check? And this is good stuff for Bangladesh, to be put under pressure like this, to feel that emotion.
Wasn't the easiest of chances though. The fight is on. Here comes Shoriful, last ball of his 10th. This has been excellent. Excellent from Shoriful Islam. Turned on the show, take a bow, 6 for 48 of his 10, 270 for 8 out of Australia.